Hw97k here, just Affairs and Hobbies. I'm going to show you how to use this cocking lever tool. And what you do is you take the tool, you slip it over like that, lift it up, and very easily you can cock your gun. Okay? Pull it off, and you're all set. That's what I want to show you in this video. And in the other videos, I showed you the components to make one of these. And it makes it very easy for you to cock the gun. So rate and subscribe. Please give me the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I can only do it with your help. Bye for now.